Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. Now before we actually start doing so, we need to add the toggle through settings. So open up settings, scroll down to control center, scroll down and find your screen recorder. For me it's right over here, and simply click on the plus to add it. This will then add it into the toggles right over here. So from here you can simply tap on it. It will start the countdown from 3, and once it starts recording you can see it right up here. And whatever you will do right now, as the name suggests, will be recorded. If you open up some kind of application, that also will be recorded. And once you're done with it, simply pull it down, click on the toggle once more, and this will save the recording to your Photos application. So I'm gonna open that application right now and play the video just so you can see it. So there we go. Now as you can see, the video was recording everything that I've done, although the little downside of it is it's not recording at a native refresh rate of the device. So this device has a 120 Hz display, and this was what it looked like only at 60 frames, which is still okay. But anyway, that is how you record it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.